Pinatics, puntahan muna natin yung isang kaganapan para mabuo natin ang isang konteksto. No? Paano ba napunta at paano nabuo sa isipan ng inyong abang lingkod ang kanilang plano? Paano ko ito napagtagpi-tagpi, mga ka-GPnatics? Kung naalala nyo kahapon, etong counsel ni VP Sara Duterte na si Attorney Christine, mga kababayan, ay hindi sumang-ayon na mag-stipulate doon sa napakarami po na dokumento dito para dito sa susunod na witness, mga kababayan. At nagulat pa nga po ito dahil sa pagiging tuso nitong si Attorney Lorna Kapunan, mga kababayan. Pero ang tanong, bakit nga ba nila ginawa ito na hindi mag-stipulate samantalang, mga kababayan, ay ginawa nila ito doon sa unang pagpipresenta ng mga dokumento na nanggaling mismo sa kanilang opisina. Ito po ang pangyayari kahapon, mga kababayan, na kailangan po nating balikan dahil meron po tayo ditong isang mahalagang bagay na atin pong malalaman. Okay. So eto na nga po, mga ka-GPnatics. Kahapon po ay nagsalita etong si Chis Escudero na ganito po, mga kababayan. Ito kasing si Attorney Christine ay hindi pumayag na mag-stipulate.
Perhaps you can proceed with the table of or the summary prepared by either with Mr. Wamil
Jemeline,
or
Ma'am
the
Lorena,
witness before
Ma'am
we
Jo.
call for adjournment. At least napakinggan natin si Ms. Eileen.
Your Honor, just a quick manifestation, Your Honor.
Yes, counsel for response.
Yes, Your Honor. We noted that the list of accounts, which was supposed to be prepared by Mr. Wamil, with the caption OVP, open parenthesis, December 21 to 31, 2022, close parenthesis, was unsigned and it was undated. Second, the witness is merely flipping the pages without
Merely
comparing
flipping.
the ARs with the list, Your Honor, to check whether the ARs are the same with what was listed.
Hindi daw tiningnan, mabilis daw na piniplip. Eh dami niyan eh, mga ang dami niyan eh, okay?
By Mr. Wamil,
Oh.
Your Honor. And the third one is that we note that the folders containing the ARs were not marked as exhibits of the prosecution, Your Honor.
Okay,
For
so
the record,
magkaiba
Your
sila.
Duly noted. However, the witness may testify as to the summary and or table if she's aware of it and if indeed it was part of the documents turned over to her by Mr. Wamil. Counsel for the panel of prosecutors.
Take note mga kababayan, na inis dito si Attorney Lorna Kapunan kasi hindi po naging cooperative or ayaw makipag-cooperate, mga ka-GPnatics, ng counsel po ng depensa ni VP Sara Duterte.
Your Honor, we are tempted to make a counter manifestation, Your Honor. Because, Your Honor, these manifestations, Your Honor, are because of their own doing, Your Honor. But in any event,
I hope you won't give in to the temptation, counsel.
I will not. I will not, Your Honor. It's the wisdom of age. I will not.
Tama.
Let's get something out
Yes,
of
Your
Ms.
Honor.
Eileen.
In fact, Your Honor, may I continue? May we continue to aid this honorable presiding officer that during the interregnum from today's proceedings until Monday, there will be other tabulations, Your Honor, and there will be other acknowledgement receipts. And we propose, Your Honor, and regret that this is not unusual, but it is necessary, Your Honor, that all of these documents, because counsel says that this witness was just flipping over them. They can
Just
do this
flipping,
in front
ginaganon
of the
lang daw.
defense counsels and us, Your Honor, for the next succeeding days. Because we will be going over 4,492 documents and six summaries, Your Honor. Hopefully that we will be doing that in the next days out of court so that by Monday it will be a speedier presentation of testimonial evidence, Your Honor.
If you're converting that in, are you making a motion, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, may we so move that we be allowed to do this, not only as respect to the last quarter of December 2022, which is suggestion of the presiding officer, but to all the quarters, quarter 1, 2, and 3 for the OVP, and quarter 1, 2, and 3 for the DepEd.
Only with
terms-
respect to the acknowledgement
Only
receipts.
with respect to Your Honor, the acknowledgement, the acknowledgement receipts, Your Honor.
Aside from the asked for transfer of markings this afternoon, wala naman kayong mga appointment ng Webes at Biyernes, di ba?
Your Honor, can I comment
Yes,
on that, Your
counsel
Honor?
for the respondent.
Your Honor, under the rules, the witness has to identify the document in open court. The problem with their stipulation, Your Honor, is that they will be having the witness identify the documents out of court. So therefore, it is no longer part of the trial. And there's a problem when it comes to the offer. There will be a problem when it comes to their offer of evidence, Your Honor. And with regard to the counter manifestation or the statement of counsel that we want to, look at the witness while she's flipping the document, Your Honor. Precisely, that is what we are doing right now, Your Honor. So we object to the proposal that the examination of the ARs be done outside the court, Your Honor.
I think
Okay, so maganda yung tanong nyo rito mga kababayan, bakit noon hindi nila ginawa yan? Di ba nagkaroon ng pre-trial? Yun na nga yung naging problema nila mga ka-GPnatics. Pero dito, may isang bagay akong gustong tanungin di ba? Kaya bakit nila ginawa to samantalang noong nakaraan dito kay Attorney Wamil, mga kababayan, ay marami naman ang ini-stipulate. Halos lahat di ba? Parang 95% mga kababayan na-stipulate. Bakit dito ayaw nilang payagan? Okay? So, merong tricky dito. Merong tricky silang gagawin mga ka-GPnatics. Kaya ngayon, ayaw po nila mga kababayan na mag-stipulate. Kasi hindi nila pinagkakatiwalaan daw di umano, mga kababayan, yung mga ARs ng prosecution. So may sarili silang ARs. Tapos nung ito ay pinagkukumpara dahil sobrang dami nga niyan, ang gusto nilang gawin dito, maging boring. Mawala yung interes ng taong bayan na manood. Pero meron pang isang bagay na kailangan po natin itapik, na kailangan po natin pag-usapan mga kababayan, yung kanilang hindi pag-stipulate ay meron po yan katumbas na kanilang gagawin. Okay? Meron pong katumbas yan.
the purpose...
Your Honor, please,
counsel for Attorney Kapunan, the court views it perhaps as an opportunity to provide an avenue for possible stipulation as to the ARs that you did not stipulate on. Because if I remember correctly, the reason why the ARs presented earlier, the 845, under the witness
845.
Attorney Wamil, was that the observation of the respondent was it was simply contained in a folder, transparency on a folder, and that there was no real sequence to it. So perhaps we can set a date for possible stipulation on the ARs, not really for the witness to confirm it, but for possible stipulation on the ARs,
Yeah.
if the respondent is open to it.
Your Honor, unfortunately, we will not stipulate, Your Honor. We didn't stipulate in the case of Wamil, Your Honor. The same position is maintained, Your Honor, in the case of this witness, Your Honor, because after the ARs have been submitted to the Commission of Audit, Your Honor, the OVP and the DepEd no longer had control over these ARs. So therefore, we do not know what were the receipts that were provided by the COA and how many receipts were given by the COA to the prosecution, Your Honor. And second, these are not commonly...
Agets nyo na guys, mga kababayan, sabi matapos daw po itong ilabas doon sa ahensya ng OBP at ng DepEd, hindi na nila alam kung ano ang nangyari dito. So ibig sabihin mga kababayan, sa madaling sabi, ang pinag-uusapan nila ay yung chain of custody. 'Di ba? Diyan nagkakaroon ng problema, technicality. Natatandaan nyo mga ka-GPnatics, ano yung title natin kanina? Ilalaglag po nila itong si Paharda at itong si Acosta. Okay, may kinalaman po yan mga kababayan. May kinalaman yan. Okay, anong sabi dito ni Attorney Lorna Kapunan?
To restore a level of trust on the side of the defense. Maybe we can even
Okay, bakit sinasabi dito a level of trust? Kasi sinabi ni Attorney Christine Ferrer, mga kababayan, hindi na namin alam kung ano nangyari diyan matapos po itong ilabas ng OBP at ng DepEd. Hindi na namin alam kung ano nangyari diyan, kung sino ba yung gumalaw diyan, sino may mga pumirma, baka mamaya ay may ginawa silang katarantaduhan, okay? Maliwanag mga ka-GP Natics. Kaya sabi ni Attorney Lorna Kapunan,
to restore a level of trust on the side of the defense. Maybe we can even use their own documents. If they do not trust the prosecution's documents
Okay.
or photocopies of the prosecution's documents, then we will use their documents, Your Honor, because we are certain that their documents is the same as our documents. Let's use the defense documents, Your Honor. Then they will not say, we do not trust these documents because it is their own defense documents. Maybe that will solve the problem of this court. We will use your documents, counsel. Will you still question using your own documents? Will you still question the authenticity of your own documents?
Of course not, Your Honor.
Okay,
Of
then
course not,
maybe
counsel.
that is
but
a possible solution, Your Honor. Let us use the defense documents instead of the prosecution documents. Para wag na tayong mag-compare. Thursday,
tama.
Friday, manonood pa ako ng Odyssey.
mga kababayan, di ba? Nagulat si Attorney Christine doon na ganun ang gagawin, mga ka-GP Natics, ditong si Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Nabuisit na siya eh. Kailangan pa natin mag-compare. Alam naman natin nang galing yan sa OBP. Alam naman natin sa inyo nang galing yan. Tapos sasabihin ninyo, hindi na namin alam kung anong nangyari dyan matapos itong lumabas. Ngayon, dito na pumapasok mga ka-GP Natics ang usapin ng kung saan po, mga kababayan kaya po napikon dyan si Attorney Lorna Kapunan na nagulat po si Attorney Christine Ferrer. Mga kababayan, dito napapasok yung usapin po ng paglaglag kay Gina Costa at kay Edward Paharda na gagawin pong Paul guys. Ang kanila bang plano mga